everybody, my name is Miss Alvarez. The students call me Miss A, and I'm the fashion teacher at CYDI. So as we enter in our second semester of the school year and going into the fourth quarter, I have the girls drafting their front and back bodice and their body measurements. And they're actually really good at converting their decimals into fractions and vice versa, so they can add their measurements. They're really good at drawing straight lines with the ruler. And so the girls, yeah, they're surprising me. They now appreciate how clothes are made because it is a lot of hard work. And this is a really important skill as a fashion designer because you would have to understand your neckline, your center front, your armhole, your shoulder to understand how clothes are made. If you want to design tricks that you see on TikTok or Snapchat where they take a sweatshirt and then they cut it up and make it into a skirt and another little top, you have the basic foundation. Hey, my name is Miss Alvarez. The students call me Miss A, and I'm out.